How much?
6 och... Ja, 30 kanske.
6,30.
Ja, 6,30.
Då.
Det blev för mycket.
Ja.
Shit.
Jävlar vad fort det gick. Då.
Ja. Det gick jäkla fort. Nu kan vi rädda den.
Other side. Åh!
Vad har vi lager?
Nej.
Tack.
Pillejobb.
Mm. Nej,
Kommer inte riktigt.
jag lite till kanske. Ja, det här lagerhuset är en hållare.
Ja.
Sen ska man...
Titta, perfekt.
Okej. Då kör vi så.
Så skimsen där, ja.
Mm. Jag tror inte att det funkar.
So I've glued them here with normal epoxy universal, which you just press it out and mix it up here thoroughly and then apply it. So hopefully this will last. Make sure that the axle is straight. Hope I have done it right. Put a piece of paper in the middle so it won't stuck with the glue, the middle ring. So let's harden it. I've turned the inner wheel so that it doesn't get glued. Hopefully it will not. So you can see the brass piece there. So doesn't look really straight. Well, that didn't work. Now it's stuck in there. The metal piece. You see? So anyway, let's try to put it all back together. Got this piece here and this piece. So the shaft is thicker inside. Can't get that on. That's too bad. I think this is too much hassle. I give up on this one. So this project was a bit harder than I thought. I thought the shaft axle would be sort of standard towards the ball bearings, but it was not, and it's pretty hard when you don't have the right tools to adjust to make it fit exactly. And I did try with this piece to get a better fit, but it's a hassle, you know. No, give this one up, I believe. If you're more thorough, you can make it happen, definitely. Show me how it should be done. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the interest. Bye bye.